As we were taking the motor apart, we had to remove the fuel rails, and these direct injected fuel rails on this L83 just did not come out nice at all. This is one rail, and this is the other rail. This is on the left bank, and this is on the right bank. You can see the curve where we hooked on, and it just started pulling it up. These direct injected fuel injectors have little rubber caps that go around the top, and they were missing on these, and so the ports have just oxidized real bad and like seized to the shaft of the injectors. Anyway, sometimes they come apart nice, sometimes they don't. On this truck, they did not. So we are replacing the rails and also the injectors. We're putting in a BTR Stage 2 truck cam, and so we're going to upgrade the fuel injectors from the L83 to these. These are a factory GM injector. These are the stock injectors for LT1 for like a 2014 Corvette Stingray. So they're for a 6.2 liter. These injectors have a flow rate of 121 pound-hours, where the stock L83 is, I think, 95 or 96 pound-hours. These go in real nice and easy. This rail is replacing this rail. We're doing the right bank right now. I like to put a little bit of dielectric because it's a silicone grease on the injector O-rings going up into the rail. Put them in, make sure they're clocked right. Put in the rail, there's the hole for the rail, it just plugs right in. And these will just go right in. Now all of our fuel injectors are in the rail. This is our old rail. We want to transfer our harness, which will sit over here for now. We'll come back to that in a minute. For now, we want to reclaim all of our metal clips. For that, I just use a flathead screwdriver. It's pretty easy, it's not hard. Three, four. And now this rail can go up here, the two old rails with the older, smaller injectors. This rail, we need to put these on. To put these on, I'll get them started. And then I use my channel locks. Then I'll squeeze it down. Then I'll bring it around and make sure everything is set right. We'll take the next one. Down the channel locks. See how it's off center? It's not lined up in the hole. We'll turn it, and you'll hear it when it snaps in. We'll squeeze them down. And in there. And now all four are locked into the rail. Done with the channel locks. Now we can take this harness, put it on the rail where it goes, and just let these go where they want to go. And this will plug in right here. Connector pin will lock in. And there we go. And now we have 2 fuel rails for high flow prepped and ready to go. The BTR Stage 2 truck cam adds 14% to the fuel load for the pump, for the high pressure pump. And these higher output fuel injectors will certainly go well with that and make sure that we stay in fuel even as we're making a little bit more power for the 5.3.